nice that you guys voted that because still it comes with us. I was actually kind of wanting to stay home tonight, but I'm really glad you guys sent me here. If you are following on the clothing line that we're coming out with, you might be very happy and you might be able to get your hands on these pants. Good morning, guys. It is 5 a.m. and I just made my first post. Heading to the gym, and I was asking you guys if we're doing cardio or weights. I actually already messed up my first post because someone told me that I put the vote thingy too far, so if they try to vote for cardio, it goes back a story. So I already messed up. It's my first one. My eyes were like this. I was trying to do it. But good to know. I will put them in the middle from now on. Right, but I'm gonna put my gym clothes on, and then we're gonna go to the gym. Okay, we're heading to the gym. So I normally work out at Equinox, which is like an actual gym. But for today's filming purposes, I'm just gonna go to my apartment gym because Equinox is always so crowded this early in the morning, believe it or not. I think I'd have a better time, easier time filming in my apartment, so we're gonna do that.
2 a.m. in the morning, I'm in my story smoking, catching my breath. I can feel my skin burning. You light the fire in me, got no regrets. Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes, oh, you got me looped about it. You and me, got me losing sleep. I am in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I am in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
Off to Cologne.
Off to get coffee. You guys voted coffee at home or coffee at La Colombe, and that's where we're headed. Which is nice that you guys voted that because still it comes with us.
Now we get to use Stella's new bungee leash.
Yeah.
This is a very, very exclusive, expensive find at La TJ Maxx.
Wake up at your place, wake up at mine. Same question always.
All right, the vote is in. Sweet Green wins. It keeps going back and forth though. It goes like Sweet Green, then Make Food at Home.
I'm getting tired. We could have breakfast, counting your freckles, close to the west coast. How about that? Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together? Why don't we just get a place together? We can get white walls with big windows up on the 3rd floor in our chateau.
All right, guys. Your choice was to either have me stay home or go to Refinery 29's 29 rooms, and I was actually kind of wanting to stay home tonight, but I'm really glad you guys sent me here. So I'm waiting on Caroline. She's meeting me here. I think it officially opens up to the public tomorrow, but Revlon invited me, so we are here with them. So yeah, it's gonna be exciting. I think I see Caroline, so I'll see you guys inside.
So much better. Balconies and bathtubs. What you want? Why don't we just get a place together? Wake up at mine. Balconies and bathtubs. What you want? Why don't we just get a place together?
So in this room, you're supposed to write a note to your inner child and put it on the wall. And that's what all these sticky notes are. How freaking cool is that? What could I tell my younger self? Look at this. Go to Italy, fall in love with an Italian. So cool.
Why don't we just get a place together?
Good morning. We're doing day 2. I just feel like one day just wasn't enough, especially since you guys sent me to 29 rooms last night. There wasn't really much chance of doing like picking my dinner or, you know, doing this. So we have a pretty fun day planned. So we'll go ahead and get started. I already asked you guys 2 questions this morning. I asked you what I should wear, and I also asked you if I should do makeup or no makeup. So the verdict is in for both. And we are going with the more grungy look. I swear I wear these pants like 2 days a week. I love them so much. But if you are following on the clothing line that we're coming out with, then you might be very happy and you might be able to get your hands on these pants. So we did a ripped tee, black lace bra, these pants. Ignore the Christmas socks, those will probably come off. But now we are gonna do makeup. I did makeup or no makeup. You guys chose makeup, so we're gonna go put a little makeup on. I will say that someone sent me a DM. They're like, you aren't doing anything we're voting on. You're doing the opposite. I sent her a message back and I was like, you do realize that votes change throughout the day. So whenever I ask you, should I get coffee at home or should I go out and get coffee? There's more votes for going to get coffee and I go get coffee. Sometimes people jump in late to the game and they vote even though I've already gone, and it makes the votes change. Whenever it's time, and I always give it like an hour or 2 to sit and to get votes, so I'm not doing it right off the bat, but do a little bit of makeup today. I'm not gonna do a ton because I hate wearing makeup, first of all. Second of all, I just did not have enough water yesterday. I don't think, I was just really busy and just wasn't thinking about it. My skin feels like a little dry and dehydrated, so I'm not gonna put a ton of makeup on. We hear Ryan, he's on a call with a client, and we always laugh at him because he like screams. Go in the other room to take it, and Jenna and I can literally hear him screaming, and we're always looking at each other like, oh my god.
All right, can you tell me really quickly the process length?
Excuse me, like I'm filming. I'm using Naked Skin by Urban Decay concealer, and I love it. It is so creamy. It's like become one of my new favorites. I have 3 favorite concealers. This one that I just told you about, the NARS, like you just cannot beat the NARS. You guys know what it looks like. And then the Josie Maran, and they're all very creamy and very just like goes on smooth. It doesn't crease, it doesn't smudge. They're just my absolute favorites. I had this one, the Milk, that I used for a while, but I loved it, but I just feel like it ran out so quickly. I feel like I was going to get a new one like every 2 weeks. I don't know. I guess like the package is smaller. I'm not sure, but it was done. I just did a little boy brow, a little highlighter, a little lipstick. All right, here's my lunch. You guys told me to make food at home, so I did. I did my kale, cabbage, and carrot mix with olive oil, a little bit of siete nacho cheese, avocado, and pierogies. Okay, it's dinner time. And I just asked you guys if we should do, oh Ryan, it rained.
Yeah.
If we should do tacos.
The hottest rain.
I know. If we should do tacos or salad, and you guys voted tacos, thank goodness, because I had a salad for lunch. But we did this, which looks disgusting, but I'm sure you guys know it was absolutely delicious. Well, I say that, but I haven't eaten yet. So I did this, who makes this? West Soy? West Soy beef strips. And I just soaked it in soy sauce and did a little pepper, a little fajita seasoning, peppers and onions. Have our stuff, so we have the siete queso. We have some beans, salsa, avocado, tortillas, siete tortillas, chips. Ryan's doing tacos and a side salad.
Wait, plus?
Plus.
No, one taco.
Mm-hmm.
Some siete queso.
Queso.
Salad with lots of Beyond Meat chicken.
Yep.
Pretty much what you said.
Yep. Okay. Cool.
See you later.
All right, we're gonna eat, and we'll see you guys. I'll see you tonight because we'll do some nighttime routine. Hi, I'm up here. Nighttime routine stuff. It's kind of dark. I'll make sure it's not dark in a second. Hey guys, I'm just hanging out in bed in my sports bra because it's so hot. Honestly, like, no matter how low my air conditioner is and how high my fan is on, it is still so hot in here because it is so hot outside. And like, I don't know if it's my dark floors or because I'm high up. I don't know, but I'm ready for winter. I just ask you guys, what are we doing right now? Are we reading or are we answering YouTube comments? You guys said YouTube comments, so I am going to my latest video that went live today, and I'm answering comments. For my very last question, I'm gonna ask you guys what show we should watch. I think we're gonna decide between Housewives Reunion and Suits, so we will let you guys decide what we're gonna watch. I will be back with the verdict in like 30 minutes. Alright, so my last poll of the night is, should we watch Real Housewives or should we watch Suits? And so far, Real Housewives is winning by like 70 votes. It keeps going back and forth. So, we just finished Housewives and we are gonna have time for one more show, so we're just gonna go ahead and watch Suits. Stella's like, finally, I've been waiting all week for Suits. It's one of her favorite shows. But I'm gonna end this video. This was so much fun, and I definitely want to do it again, but I think for vlog purposes, like, I feel like we should definitely keep it at like a 2 or 3 day thing, because I feel like for Instagram, 1 day is enough. But for vlog footage, I literally had like 6 minutes of a vlog. I was like, okay, I need to do more than 1 day. So next time we'll keep doing 2 to 3 days. And if you're not following on Instagram, be sure and do that because we had a lot of fun today. And I did a few polls that I didn't put in the vlog because they were just kind of for Instagram. So if you're not following, definitely go follow there. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Good night.